And today, we got the one and only CowBoii is in the building. Tell us, how did it come about to Zweka Shining Ayo, and what has it done for your career up to this point?
Actually, yeah, that's a big one. It was after I recorded Mkugu, after the drop of Mkugu.
Sure.
Yeah, because I think that's where Bandile from Major League.
Yeah.
Yeah, like knew, okay, there's this boy.
Yeah.
But then I got the call from bands. I was like, hey, dog, can we do like Piano City tomorrow?
Yeah.
What are you saying? I was like,
let's go,
Khotman. Let's go, Khotman. Then we went. I did it. Yeah, you know, you wait like Spaniana for it to be, and look at it now. Say Pumile.
Yeah.
And people are finally like getting to know who's the boy.
Exactly.
Behind
Becoming
these songs,
a superstar.
You understand?
Yeah.
Khotman.
Dana, as a process before Palingoma record a song, like what's the process? Usually, what do you write about, or what inspires you to write a specific song?
Okay, like when it comes to process, abantu ababhaya I think babhala ngento abadlula kuzo yabona.
Okay.
So mina angibhali ngento mina engidlula kuzo kuphela. Ngibhala ngezinto abanye abantu abadlula kuzo nezinto ezenzakalayo.
Okay.
Around, you understand? Because like I'm very familiar nama situations abhaya, because ngizibonile izinto ayimkhulu.
Yeah.
So ukubhala ngami kuphela is going to be more like a me thing, and emele ngibhale ngento maybe umuntu azokwazi ukreate ngayo.
Yeah.
So usually when I write ngabhala nento engiyibonayo mfethu, because na piano like made it easy for us to just
say whatever you want in a song.
Yeah, not like whatever you want, but say whatever you want in a meaningful way. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yeah,
you understand?
Yes, yeah, you understand. But you know how piano is so free.
Yeah, so like anything can happen in piano. So like,
but
to young yeah, so it's okay, dog. You can play with the sound, you can play with the chant. Actually, like you don't have to be very serious about it. And good manje, everything like makes sense, okay. And the manje alaboni piano seljan manje. So ne piano le soulful, so ne piano le spoopy, so ne piano le what. So uyakhetha ukuthi wela va.
Yeah.
Like comfortable corner. So mina for now it's Kupu, but
the whole time
it's piano. Piano is piano.
Ever since you started, Don, I mean, now you're going out in gigs, you're meeting other artists. Like, what kind of challenges have you faced? You know, sometimes you'd walk in a room, like, let me actually not even say it, I mean, an example. What kind of challenges do you face as an artist right now?
I think one of the biggest challenge I've faced and I'm still facing, ingoma zami, they are bigger than me. You understand? And it's my duty to catch up.
Sure.
So people will know, okay, oh, ile ntwana lecula la, cause like ingoma zami ezibhaya abantu abazigena ama-feature.
Sure.
So like you understand ukuthi when you're a featured artist uyafihleka somehow engomeni, so like it's your duty to, you need to catch up with dog. People need to know that this is you who's singing this song. This is you who made that song.
Yeah.
And that one from 2019, that was you, but you understand.
Yeah,
so I think that's one of like the biggest challenges that I've faced in the music industry. That's my like, it's haunting me, young haunter.
Yeah. My superstar, you inside YFM right now. We're talking to you. Let's talk about the future, Ndana. Do you have any upcoming projects that you're working on, and who would you like to feature, like in the future? You just want like Mangangene studio, not out, so not a cherry, I'd be good. Okay, for now,
let me say before you say the future, for this year, I'm not dropping like an EP or something. I'm still focusing on like features and singles.
Sure.
I understand, but the future, definitely early, maybe next year, we'll get an EP from CowBoii, the debut album. And when it comes to features, man, I feel like Kabza. Yeah, if I can get Kabza in the studio, man, it's chai. For me, it's chai. It's chai.
Scorpion King for real. CowBoii, thank you so much for putting through, my boy. All the best for the future. Please, when that EP is ready or whatever single is ready, ubuye kule show. Ngaze ngakuzwa kwenye show.
Ngiyolshaya i-launch la. Shoot so i-launch la.
And uyazi ukuthi yonke into eshow ngisho is recorded.
Yeah, I know.
You know it very well.
I know.
So CowBoii, thank you so much, my boy. All the best for the future. We'll see you soon, yeah?